Good morning, students. This is your geography lesson. Students, today we are going to revise unit number 1, the natural topography including drainage. We will discuss the northern mountains and northwestern mountains. So we start our lesson. First of all, natural topography. What is the definition of natural topography? It is study of the natural surface features of the land, like mountains, plateaus, hills, etc. What are mountains? Mountains are any area that is above 1000 feet high from the surroundings. Plateau, a fairly flat land high above the sea level. And what is natural drainage? It is natural flow of water in the form of rivers, streams, etc. Students, Pakistan can be divided into 6 major natural topographical areas. Number 1, the northern mountains and northwestern mountains. Number 2, the western mountains. Number 3, the Balochistan Plateau. Number 4, Potwar Plateau and Salt Range. Number 5, the Indus Plain. And number 6 is desert areas. The northern mountains. There are 3 mountain ranges in the northern mountains. These are Karakoram, Himalayas and Hindu Kush mountain. Karakoram range in Pakistan. Karakoram means black stone. It is believed to be the northwestern extension of Greater Himalayan mountain system, covering the borders between Pakistan, India and China in the regions of Gilgit-Baltistan, Ladakh and Xinjiang region, China. The range is about 500 km in length and is bounded on the northeast by the edge of the Tibetan Plateau and on the Karakoram range north by the Pamir Mountains. The Himalayas. These are in the south of Karakoram range, separated by river Indus and subdivided into the Great Himalayas up to 6000 mm. Indus makes it southern and western boundary. Nanga Parbat is the highest peak and the second highest in Pakistan. Glaciers are in a huge amount, drained by Indus. In Aptabad, Mansehra district and Murray and Gilgit regions are included in Lesser Himalayas. The Hindu Kush, northwest of Pakistan and west of Karakoram. Rivers Hunza and Gilgit, and the boundary is between Karakoram and Hindu Kush. In the north, merge into the Pamir Plateau. Its height is 500 meters and Tichmir is the highest peak. Topography and relief features of northern mountains. These are high and lofty mountains. Height increases from south to north, and parallel ranges run mainly from west to east. There are snow-covered peaks, sharp slope of the peaks, deep and narrow valleys. V and U-shaped valleys are developed here. Mountains bottoms are covered with eroded material, generally very rugged and uneven landscape, and glaciers are found in the extreme north. Drainage of northern mountains. River Indus and its several tributaries drain the area. Fast flowing rivers due to more slope. Rivers from many different features due to erosion such as waterfalls, rapids, plunge pool, gorges, etc. Glaciers are found in the extreme north. What is the importance of northern mountains? Blow cold winds coming from Russia, weather and climate stability. Glaciers melt to provide water for agriculture and industry. Tourists come to the area, so foreign exchange is earned here. Moreover, boost the economy of Pakistan. These mountains also connect Pakistan to China and Central Asian states. Many minerals are also found in the area. Life and economy in the northern mountains. Factors restricting human activity. Highly rugged land. Usually cold winters. Heavy snowfall. Difficult and narrow mountain passes. Difficult to grow crops on a large scale. Develop infrastructure, roads, etc. and set up major factory industry. Shortage of safe drinking water. What are the human activities and human environment in northern mountains? Fruit farming, as dry fruits, apple, apricots are found in these areas, in these mountain ranges. Crop farming mainly as terrace farming, crops grown on small flat patches on mountains and hill slopes. In winter, while staying indoors, cottage industry as we can say carpets, rugs, embroidery, etc. is very common. Only a few major industries as fruit processing industry, dry apricots is developed in the northern areas. Limited amount of seasonal earning from tourism. Livestock farming is developed here. Trade activity between some major towns, for example, Murree to Rawalpindi, Gilgit to Punjab, Kahan, Punjab, etc. due to transport linkages. What is economic potential and importance of northern areas? Huge water reserves for hydroelectric power and irrigation of crops in the Indus plains. Natural routes and passes linking Pak with China, Afghanistan and Central Asia, while Afghanistan to play a vital role in future development. Natural protection by mountains, peaks and forests act as natural habitat to wildlife, also provide timber, firewood and wood for many industries, for example furniture and sports goods. Untapped minerals, for example gems and limestones are found here. So students, this is your lesson for today. I hope you have revised um unit number 1, the northern mountains with me. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.